card 43. For this problem, you need to know the definition of perimeter, first of all, and you need to know how to work with variables. So basically we have a picture and we need to be able to create equations using our picture, and that means dealing with variables, and we also need to understand the concept of perimeter and what that means in terms of writing an equation for perimeter. So let's get started. Let's start by drawing this picture. And all right, so we're looking for 2x plus y. So let's start by labeling. So this square has side x. Now, I want you to also label this line. If this is a square, if A is a square, then this side must be the same length as all the other sides, because squares have 4 equal sides. Now this triangle, we know that this is y and this is y, and since these are a shared side, we know that its base is x. All right, we know that the perimeters of each, the square and the triangle, that they're each equal to 48. So let's write two equations. The perimeter of this square is x plus x plus x plus x, which is 4 x's. So 4x equals 48. Now, the perimeter of this triangle, remember that perimeter is the distance on of all the edges, okay? So this triangle perimeter will be x plus y plus y. There's 2 y's and 1 x, and we know that that also equals 48. Okay, so let's reduce this one. We know x plus 2y equals 48. All right, now let's go back to this one. 4x equals 48. We can solve for x. There's only one variable there, so we can solve. We're going to divide by 4. So x equals 12. So that's a good one to know. You should know your times tables up to 12 times 12. So 12 times 4 is 48. Okay, so we know that x equals 12. Let's leave that there. So we're going to basically say this is what we already know, x equals 12. If we want to solve for y, we can plug it into this equation. Let's plug in 12 for x. 12 plus 2y equals 48. And now we only have one variable, so we can solve for y. So we're going to subtract 12. 2y equals 36. Divide by 2. Y equals 18. Now we can plug that in up there. We now know what x equals and what y equals. So let's plug it in so we can solve what we're looking for, which is 2x plus y. So let's go down here. 2 times x, which is 12, plus y, which is 18. And we just have to solve. 2 times 12, 24, plus 18. You can set it up like this, 24 plus 18, and you get 42. And that's your answer for what is 2x plus y.